right, you guys, it's time to start the 15, 30, 45, however many days of videos that we're gonna be doing. It's gonna be a lot, and I've kind of started a new venture where I started my own business called Miles Ahead Marketing. So if you need any help with marketing, website builds, SEO, ads, any of that, I'm gonna give myself a little plug here and say to reach out to me. You can reach me at Krista@milesahead.marketing and let me know what your goals are. I will be the first one to tell you not to pay a marketing company. And I want to be different than the normal, well, I am different than the average marketing company because I am going to market to your specific needs, and I understand the analytics, and I've dived head deep to learn with our own business, with Aspen Grove RV Park and all of that. So yes, so if you need help, let me know. I want to help you. So we've got Jonathan's been making us little Easter eggs and what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna buy? So
it's a CF Moto.
It's a CF Moto, you guys. We decided to go completely in a left field direction with our next move. So we're headed
It's a Maverick R.
It's a Maverick R, you guys.
It's a Pro R.
It's a Pro R.
No, it's an H2.
It's an H2. It's just an H2, even though they can't sell them right now. But they're going to sell it to us anyways. So it's still, you guys, it's still a secret. We don't even know what we're doing half the time. So y'all are just going to learn, y'all are going to experience it real time with us with these daily videos. And let us know in the comments, like, what do you guys want to see? Are you even interested in this kind of daily vlogging, basically? I think we're gonna do it anyways, regardless. So y'all are just gonna get a little insight of our life, running an RV park, living full-time out of an RV, traveling, off-road, our passion, side-by-sides, the dunes, and all of that good stuff. So right now we are headed to Karl Malone ADS in Ogden. We've worked with Karl Malone twice before, and the last time we were at Karl Malone is when we bought Patty Mayo, and technically all three of us were there because Miles was in my belly, but I was literally like just pregnant, I guess, really, like a couple of weeks pregnant. Didn't even know. And honestly, you guys, if we would have known I was pregnant at that time, we wouldn't have gotten that machine. So we're gonna head down. Y'all are gonna come with us and see what we can make happen. Karl Malone ADS in Ogden has taken care of us before. Drew, when he used to work there, he was the man, and he's gone on his own venture. He's an airplane pilot now. He's doing big things. So we got to find our new person to know, and that's what we're doing.
I guess I'm friends with a guy on Facebook that's our salesman, because I kept putting ads out there, and I'm gonna teach you guys some stuff. Never settle for the first deal. Never, ever settle for the first deal. Part of us doing these daily vlogs now is I want you guys to actually get to know us. Yeah, it's fun to go camping and it's fun to go on rides and you put the music on and blah, blah, and some people hate it and some people love it. And I don't really care if you do or not, because my son loves it and that's all that matters. He likes to watch it.
Yes, he does.
And so I'm going to teach you guys some tricks of the trade. There's a guy I like to watch. His name's Tommy McCula. He's got a little YouTube channel called Delivered, and he negotiates car deals all day long. And it's funny because I've done this for years and years. Probably when he was still a little kid I was doing this. We've never paid MSRP for anything, and it's not even because of who we are, because we're nobodies in most people's world, but it's because I refuse to pay MSRP. There's always a little bit of money you can make. This one we're making a good deal on, and I searched for it, and I'm going to show you the places to go to that take care of you, and then I'm going to show you guys what Ride Now was trying to offer us, not only for Patty Mayo, because I'm trading her in, which is probably a stupid move. Don't take that advice. Sell your cars outright, but I don't have time for that. So I'm going to show you guys this sheet and what these idiots at Ride Now were trying to charge me. And I'm going to tell you guys, never shop there, ever. Because they're one of those dealerships that Anyways, let's get to Karl Malone.
All right.
Kids in the back, counting every pickup truck. Red dirt on the tires, playlist skipping old love songs. Mile after mile, we've been ready for so long. Next chapter dust on our boots, chasing that sun through the canyon bloom. Got a one-way road to something new. Whole life packed in a rear view. Laugh lines, lunch stops, passing signs, all saying this is our time. Utah sky, white hearts and gear. Next chapter starts right here. Wind through the crack of a window held by tape. Snacks in a sack, crumbs all.
Okay, we made it to Karl Malone ADS. Look at those mountains, you guys. It's a little bit of a cloudy day today. Fun throwback, this garage door right here. If you go back and look at some of our videos, that's the garage door that opened to reveal P. Mayo. We got a baby here. Hi, Nugget. Did you fall asleep for a second? Oh, big stretches. Let's get you out. You want to go look at some rides? You want to go pick out your new machine and see which one you like? Yeah?
There she is, guys. Look at her. It's a nice looking car right there.
What do you think, Miles?
What do you think? You like it?
Oh, you can reach the pegs and everything. Oh, the handlebars. Oh, the handlebars. There you go. Look at that.
What do
You need
think,
one of
buddy?
those?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Turn the throttle back.
Say vroom vroom. Oh yeah, he knows.
Oh,
He's ready.
He
He's
knows
ready.
what's going on. He knows what's going on. He's ready. You ready, dude? Put your feet on the pegs, bro.
On the pegs. There you go. Got that one on there.
You want
What do you
it?
think? Should we get that? Is that your new machine? That's what we came here to get, you guys. That's all it was.
we hyped y'all up for nothing but a little dirt bike. Now we're really gonna go look at the car that we may get, but I'm still not gonna show you guys because we've got to keep you wondering. What do you think? Do you approve? You still questioning the colors, man. I feel you, dude. We can take that out. We can take it out and we can paint it, bro.
What color do you want to paint it, Miles?
Orange, obviously. Right?
Orange and blue?
There's only one color, orange. Yes? No? Yes? Talk to me. Tell me something.
You're the ultimate decision maker here, and we're going to need your negotiation skills to really shine today.
All right, so guys, we're sitting here. We're trying to start this thing up because I was like, I want to hear what it sounds like running. It's a new machine. It's probably going to be fine. And the batteries are dead on it. It's dirty. The batteries are dead. Guys, I've been talking to you about my sales career. Thousands of cars sold. And one thing I can tell you, we've got presented the dirtiest Pro R here. The batteries are dead.
You wanted the oldest one here.
Yeah, that is a valid point. So essentially this car sat for 1.5 years in the back of a parking lot. U-joints already rusted up back here just from sitting here.
Is it really?
This is disappointing. It's
Wow, they really are.
really disappointing. I don't know how I feel about this. Miles, what do you think, man? Do we buy the car that don't even start? We don't even know if it runs. At least my car runs. Yeah. Okay, guys, we've messaged you guys enough. We joked around. What are we really getting, dude? Are you standing in front of what we're really getting? Because we're tired of riding in the sand dunes. We're burnt out, aren't we?
Yeah.
Put them in there, baby. Put them in there. It's a Polaris Ranger 1500. Long traveled on 35s. Miles can't even get in it.
He's gotta have assistance.
Look, they
We're gonna
already
give him
put a
step
car
still.
seat back there for us.
It was literally made for us.
Yeah, so, which is very cool that they already put a car seat in there for us. That's freaking awesome. But it's long traveled already. Super pumped.
Bye-bye.
Got the car seat in there waiting. So just got to put it in. Got some other stuff they're giving us. What do you think?
Well, hopefully she's got enough power to go places. I can't even sell it, you guys. I can't even. I'm not a good liar, okay? I'm not a good liar at all.
Miles likes it though. Do you like it, Miles? Yeah.
I do like that. This is kind of fun if we, you know, like the little bed of the truck, like it's a little mini Jeep that you can go. But we got the Jeep for overlanding. We don't really need this. It's like the purpose of this is not always.
Or is it a new 2026 Pro R? Is that screen really worth it, guys? It's cool. It's bigger. I don't know. Is it worth it? What are your thoughts? If you could save $9,000 on a 25 versus a 26, is it worth it? Is it? I don't know. All right, guys, there it is. Day one of an attempted 30 days of videos. I'm going to try so hard. We're going to go into Easter and there's going to be a lot of riding. So I like to actually take my time on editing stuff when it comes to Easter time. So I may do 15 and then a couple weeks of good videos and then jump right back in. Or maybe I can get far enough ahead that I can keep it up. It is extremely hard to work 2 different jobs, plus edit, plus do everything and spend time with my family. Nonetheless, guys, here we are. We are going to try our hardest, at least 15 days straight, then Easter, and then 15 more days. Nonetheless, we are getting a new machine. I'm not going to tell you what it is in this video, but what I am going to tell you is that you are about to get 2 videos after this one. And the 2 videos that you are going to get are about 45 minutes to 55 minutes long. And it's going to be our story. Krista and I, how we met, where we met, our lives. It's going to get really personal. It's going to get really, really personal. And I'm going to share with you guys a transparent view into our lives. Now, I've already edited these videos, and I'm going to tell you something. It was a lot. They're simple videos when you watch them, but they are not simple videos when it comes to the editing side and just trying to find pictures from the past and everything. But if you guys want to know our actual story, where we started, how Off-Road Diaries actually became Off-Road Diaries, because we did not used to actually be Off-Road Diaries. We used to be something else. So I hope you guys will watch them. They're very long videos. You can even listen to them almost while you're driving down the road. You don't even have to watch, but there is some pictures. There is other videos in it from our past, but I hope you guys will watch these videos if you are interested in us, who we are, and how we became our selves that we are today with YouTube. I hope you do watch. And I like long form content if it's interesting. It's a good story. My wife and I met a long time ago, and I hope you enjoy it. It leads all the way up to us throughout our lifetimes of full-time RVing, having the RV park and building it from scratch. There's so much info about us. So if you want to get to know us, watch the next 2 videos, because that'll be day number 2 and day number 3. And then after that, you'll come back to follow our adventure to our next rig that we're going to get, which is actually happening tomorrow. But you won't see it until day 4 or 5 of these videos, because I'm chopping them up, guys. I'm editing as much as I can, and I'm trying to give you guys good content. Thank you so much. Subscribe to our new Patreon, and we're going to give you even more stuff after our 30 days. You're going to see personal stuff from us and just, our daily life. So if you're interested in that, cool. If not, I understand. We're just looking for gas money at the end of the day, guys. We're not rich. We live paycheck to paycheck just like all of you do. But we love you guys no matter what, and we appreciate you guys. So have a great day, night, morning, whenever it is you're watching this, and we will see you tomorrow for the next video. Every single morning, 6 a.m., you're going to see a video. All right, have a great night, guys. Love you. Bye.